In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Kajabi in just 5 minutes. Whether you're an entrepreneur, educator, or creative professional, Kajabi offers a robust platform to build, market, and sell your digital products effectively. Let's dive into the steps to start your Kajabi journey. First, open your browser and navigate to kajabi.com. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the neat layout and the various features Kajabi offers. This site will serve as your primary hub for creating and managing your online business. Next, look towards the upper right corner of the homepage and click on the login button. This button is your gateway to accessing Kajabi's powerful suite of tools. If you already have an account, simply log in using your existing credentials. Otherwise, you can easily sign up using your email or Google account. This way you ensure quick access every time you need to get started on your projects. The first crucial step in your Kajabi journey is to clearly identify your expertise and target audience. Reflect on the skills, knowledge, or passions you possess and how they can be transformed into a valuable digital product. Understanding what you bring to the table will help shape the content and direction of your offerings. Once you've pinpointed your strengths, it's time to get creative. Develop high-quality digital products that will attract and engage your target audience. Consider crafting online courses, creating membership sites, or offering downloadable files. The key here is to provide real value to your audience, ensuring that your products are not just informative, but also engaging and beneficial. Now, utilize Kajabi's platform to bring your ideas to life. Spend some time exploring its features, from course creation tools to customizable design templates. With Kajabi, you can seamlessly create, design, and manage your products all in one place, saving you time and effort. To drive interest and sales, incorporate a variety of marketing strategies. Leverage the power of social media, create compelling content, or initiate email marketing campaigns. Partnerships can also broaden your reach, tapping into previously inaccessible audience segments. Marketing is vital in ensuring your products gain the visibility they deserve. Consider creating a website or blog to further showcase your products. This step not only gives your audience a place to learn more about what you offer, but also helps build a thriving community. Your online presence becomes a valuable asset, fostering deeper connections with your audience and allowing for ongoing engagement. By implementing these steps through the power of Kajabi, you can create a successful online business that rewards your knowledge and skills. Embrace the journey and soon you'll see your expertise transforming into tangible earnings. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're excited to start making money with Kajabi today.